How I increased 210,767 KrisFlyer Miles in less than 1 month.
There are three key reasons. The first is using the Kris Plus app from Singapore Airlines. You can get up to 9 miles per dollar spent while paying using the app. And carefully choose restaurants that have 9 miles per dollar. Anything 6 miles per dollar and more is great value. You also can spend on the Kris shop by using the Kris Plus app. Second reason, you transfer points from different credit card rewards. So I transferred from my Citibank rewards credit card. 75,000 points is actually 30,000 KrisFlyer Miles. I also transferred from my Amex membership points. Amex KrisFlyer Ascend bonus points. For the first transaction, I got 5,000 KrisFlyer Miles. And also the DBSU Visa credit card, which I used for shopping at Guardian, Giant, Cold Storage, Supermarket. It has a lot of bonus points if you spend $600 in 1 month of the eligible spend. Also, some bonus points from Shangri-La Circle points. I convert the hotel points to 2,000 points to 3,760 miles.